Lesson 84.
Con.
Antonio, I know that we've mentioned this before, but I can't help but mention that at the end of the word con, it sounds like you're making that G-type sound in the back of your mouth again.
Yeah, very light G. Not really Kong, but Kong. Just think of it as the beginning of a G sound. We've talked about it in previous lessons, but good to remind the students about it.
Let's see if I can practice this myself. Con. Was that pretty good?
Perfect, Bill.
Wow. Maybe I have a future in Spanish. Let's go through these exercises together. In exercise number 1, yo como means I eat, and then con means with. Mis hermanas means my sisters, and todas las semanas means every week. So, I eat with my sisters every week. In number 2, él trabaja means he works, con means with, mi hermano means my brother, and todos los días means every day. So number 2 will say, he works with my brother every day. In number 3, yo hablo means I speak, inglés means English, con means with, and mis amigos means my friends. So the first part of this sentence will say, I speak English with my friends. Then we have the word pero, which means but, and then we have another verb, hablo. That's the same verb that we had before, but this time there's no reason to have the word yo because we already saw the word yo in the first part of the sentence. So here we'll leave that out, and the word hablo will just mean I speak all by itself. The word I is included in the verb hablo. So we'll translate hablo as I speak. Then we have español, which means Spanish, con means with, and mis padres means my parents. So number 3, taken as a whole, will say this: I speak English with my friends, but I speak Spanish with my parents. In number 4, yo bebo means I drink, agua means water, and todos los días means every day. So number 4 will say, I drink water every day. In number 5, nosotros hablamos means we speak, español means Spanish, and todos los días means every day. So number 5 will say, we speak Spanish every day. In number 6, mis niños means my children. The verb here is hablan, that's third person plural, to agree with niños, and it means speak. It's being negated by the word no, and then we have the word inglés after it. So the first part of this sentence will say, my children do not speak English. Then we have pero, which means but, and then another verb, hablan, that's third person plural. It's the same verb we had before, and it has the same subject, which is the niños, so there's no reason to repeat the subject of the sentence. So here we will insert the word they, because the verb hablan includes the word they. It includes that pronoun. Finally, we have español, which means Spanish. So number 6 will say, my children do not speak English, but they speak Spanish. In number 7, yo tengo means I have. Unas is an indefinite plural article. We translate those with things like some or a few. And then amigas means friends. So number 7 will say, I have some friends. In number 8, mis amigos means my friends. The verb here is tienen, that's third person plural, to agree with the word amigos. So mis amigos tienen will say, my friends have. Then we have the word hambre, which means hunger, and then we have the word sed, which means thirst. So literally, number 8 will say, my friends have hunger and thirst. But idiomatically, it will say, my friends are hungry and thirsty. In number 9, we have a question. The pronoun here is the word nosotros, which means we. Nosotros and tenemos, under normal circumstances, would say, we have, but here they are reversed because it's a question. So we'll translate those as, do we have? And then comida means food. So number 9 will say, do we have food? In number 10, we have the word no, which is the answer to a question. And then we have nosotros no tenemos. That means we do not have. Comida means food. And then we have the word pero, and then the verb tenemos again. So that's going to mean we have. There's no need to repeat the pronoun nosotros because it's included within the verb tenemos. Agua means water. So number 10, altogether we'll say, no, we do not have food, but we have water.